Hi, I'm Sharon Krieger, nurse practitioner, owner, and CEO of Building New Horizons. We welcome you to our new office practice space.
Hi, my name is Jennifer. I am a receptionist and medical record.
So this is my office, and we do close the blinds when patients are here. We hope you enjoy this open, bright, cheery atmosphere.
My name is Dan. I'm Sharon's psych assistant.
Hi, my name is Patty Costello and I'm the practice manager and I handle the in-house accounts.
We do biofeedback here, pulsed electromagnetic field stimulation.
I'm Maggie. I do neurofeedback and biofeedback, and I'd love to talk with you sometime.
This is our second office. We have 2 nurse practitioners to serve you. We've added a new nurse practitioner, Cheryl McDonald.
Hi, I'm Cheryl McDonald. I'm a psychiatric nurse practitioner and I'm an adult nurse practitioner certified in both. And welcome to the practice.